I'm so excited for all of you, for the rest of your journey and all the amazing things you're gonna do. Don't ever forget how much of an opportunity and a privilege it is to stand up and speak in front of people. Because you have the opportunity to plant new ideas in their minds that shift their perspective and can change something seriously in their life. There's a reason these are called power talks. You have the power to make serious change when you choose to speak.
Treat the audience as if it's one person that you completely turn your attention to, that you completely focus on and put your energy into. When you're saying your speech and you say, "Are you feeling good today?" Guess what? Everyone is going to answer.
Versus like, how is everybody doing today,
Everyone.
Right? It's a super generalized term. You know, some people might tune out, oh, they're not even talking to me. Versus, how are you doing today? Talking to you as that one sole person.
Anytime you're nervous, and if you're standing like in an audience and you're just doing this, nobody can tell you're doing it. But it really does work. You just pinch and you pinch. And that is like the absolute best secret tip I've ever gotten as a public speaker, because you get nervous, right?
And if you become silent when you say an important point, it's actually more impactful than you just saying it out loud or saying it slowly, because it makes people think about what you're saying. Being aware of that silence can help you develop like better presentation skills.
You're the leader of the room at the time. So if something slips, even you saying, okay, made a mistake, let's move forward, let's go backwards a little bit and then try again, that's fine. The crowd is there to hear what you have to say. So they are on your side.
Whether you know it or not, a lot of you guys are already content creators. If you are interested in the creator economy, just know it's a legit economy now. And there is so much need for content creators these days. And the beautiful thing about what you guys are doing at Epic Gen is that you're creating a foundation for yourself. And after, by the time you get out of high school, you could potentially be making revenue from different streams.
I just want to say that everybody's nervous, right? Like, this was always my tip. I always say this to my students, and use that energy. Like what Nicole was saying, there's always that nervous ball of energy before you start, but use that energy to make your presentation powerful.
3, 2, 1, smile.
See you on the 13th. Practice.
Bye.
I really liked how the mentors use a lot of expressions to tell their story to the kids and put in so much effort to bring a smile to their face.
Yes, our mentors made sure that if you were going to say something, you said it with meaning and that there had to be a point. What was your reason for saying something in the first place?
Yeah, it was like almost every word is trying to convince you and pull you towards what they are talking about.
Oh, Nicole, you are starting to sound like our next speaker. Let me ask you something. Do you remember the first time you asked your parents for a cell phone?
Yes, I was actually 8 and they didn't let me have one until I was 12.
Oh, interesting. Well, for our last speaker today, she is actually in the same boat as you once were. Shout out to her mom, because this Power Talk is dedicated to you.
Hi everyone, my name is Nasia Castillo. I'm 11 years old, and here today I am with my dad, Neil.
Hello.
I like reading, singing, and I play piano, and I really love things about Power Talk because they really made me open up with I shared all my ideas and just combined it in one whole book.
Oh yeah, ever since she started with Epic Generation, I've seen a difference in her personality and the way she shows herself in front of people, the way she speaks and writes. It's awesome. So I believe that Power Talk helped her with her confidence in herself and the way she represents herself in front of people and on stage and also in front of the camera.
I also feel that Power Talk actually helped me with public speaking.
Public speaking,
because
exactly.
whenever I would be on stage and speak, I would begin to stutter a lot.
And you've improved in that now. Yeah.
Well, my speech topic is about what age to give your child a cell phone, because a lot of parents debate, oh, maybe I should give them a younger age so they could learn mature and responsibility. But then some parents are like, I don't know if they're responsible enough. Well, I chose 12 to 13 because most of that age they're growing to a preteen and they're getting mature and they're growing into an adult brain.
So you ready to go do this?
Yeah, I'm so excited, Dad.
All right, let's go kill it. You go get it.
I will, Dad.
Love it.
At what age do you give your child a cell phone? Hey parents, do you ever wonder at what age will I give my child a cell phone? Hello, luckily I am here. Hi, my name is Nasia, and I'm going to tell you what age to give your child a cell phone and try to convince my mom at the same time. And you're wondering, why only my mom? Well, she's practically the boss of my family. Surprisingly not my dad. Anyways, let's get back to it. In my opinion, you should give your child a cell phone at the age of 12 to 13 because they're mature and responsible. They are responsible for charging their phone at a certain percentage so the phone won't die. They'll keep their phone screen clean and have control of their screen limit. Isn't that amazing, parents? And parents, did you know that 50% of the kids at the age of 7 already have a phone? Mom, I should have got one already. Well, that was the pros. Now it's time to hear about the cons. Hi, welcome to the cons. And there are some bad things they could do. They could sometimes drop their phone, lose it, spread rumors on social media, and lose track of time. And then forget to do their homework. And that's when their parents call them lazy. I know my parents do not like that attitude. But come on, parents. We know our kids are better than that, right? But when you lend your child your phone, I really hope you thought that one through. They will drain the battery. But how would you drain the battery? It was 100% an hour ago. When you receive the phone back, there are fingerprints all over it. And lastly, they don't have control of their screen time. Isn't that horrible? So, do you think you could get them a phone now? I'm kidding. You should get, also, if they're endangered, they could call you, you could even track their location. That's actually really better. Because if you're lost and they have a phone, first thing that comes to mind, I should track their location. So that's why you should have a phone at the age of 12. I hope you heard all that, Mom. Aw, shuck. I have to wait one more year. Mom, can you make an exception, please?
That was so good. I hope she gets her cell phone.
Me too. Maybe we can ask her on next week's episode what the verdict was.
Great idea. This wraps up our show for today. Today, we jumped in some of the trends with our Power Talk speakers. I am convinced that Brooklyn Nine-Nine is the show to binge, and I may even have to try Minecraft now. Just because. Yeah.
You are so right, Nicole. When you start playing Minecraft, please let me know because I would love to see that. Thank you for being here with us. Make sure to join our conversation on Facebook at Epic Generation Power Talk, and we'll catch you next time on our final episode of Power Talk.